all, hope you all are doing great. In our today's video, we are going to review Mamaearth's Ubtan facial kit. Mamaearth is an Indian brand and it recycles plastic more than they use. Look at the packaging once. The packaging is really good. These are one-time use packs, making them hygienic and convenient to use. This is the size of a single tube and in total there are 6 steps. First of all, clean your face, tie up your hair, remove all the jewelry and come. I am done with all this now and let's begin with the step number 1. All the tubes are sealed. Squeeze the cleansing milk and swipe it across your face and neck. Rinse off with water once done. The key ingredients of this facial kit is turmeric and saffron. Turmeric contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, making skin glow, fights signs of aging and protects from sun damage. However, saffron soothes the skin and aids in repairing the cells, making the skin more radiant. I am done. Rinse off the face with water and let's begin with step number 2. That is face scrub. Apply the face scrub and massage for 2-3 minutes. Rinse it off and pat dry. This gently exfoliates the skin and also the kit is free from parabens, toxins and chemicals. Do not forget the neck for any of the step. Whatever the steps you follow for the face should be followed for neck as well. Rinse it off with water and let's begin with the step number 3. That is soothing gel. Apply the soothing gel all over the face and massage it until it's absorbed. Repeat the same onto your neck part as well. This is quite a quick step. All the gel is absorbed now. Let's begin with the step number 4. That is face cream. Gently massage the cream for 5 to 10 minutes onto your face. Mamaearth products are now available on their official website and app, as well as on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple, Flipkart and also nearby stores of you as well. You can get extra 20% off by making use of my coupon code VERSATILE2023. Try to invest your time more in this step number 4 and give a good massage to your face with this face cream. I am now done with the step number 4. Let's begin with the step number 5. Step number 5 is a face mask. Apply the face mask and wait for 15 minutes. So sit back and relax. Meanwhile I relax, let me walk you through the newly launched bag from ZOUK. ZOUK is an Indian brand and all their bags are handcrafted and 100% vegan. And look at the print, how classy the print is. Scroll down to their website and you will be in love with all their prints. There are a wide variety not only in the prints but into the bags as well. They have quite a fusion of contemporary and traditional vibe into their products. Definitely give it a look. You can avail extra 12% off by making use of my coupon code YTANJALI-T12. Moving on towards our next step, step number 6. I can already sense the glow on my face. Step number 6 is this glow cream. Gently massage the Ubtan Radiance and Glow Cream all over your face and neck. That was all about Mamaearth's Ubtan facial kit, and that's how you can get salon-like facial glow, that too with the comfort of sitting at home. Let me know in the comment section if you have already made use of this facial kit and your experience of the glow you get. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.